This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Grady Kenner. Experience ultimate privacy with this one-of-a-kind luxury estate located in Birdneck Point. This home sits on a rare 1.5-acre peninsula and boasts soaring ceilings, a light and bright open floor plan with expansive views of the bay and stunning sunsets. This home was fully renovated in 2017, featuring new hardwood oak floors, roof, paint, appliances, tankless water heaters, smart system, elevator, wet bars, outdoor kitchen, heated pool, 4-car garage, gazebo, and just a short distance to Virginia beaches and most sought-after golf and yacht club. This magnificent property has the feel of living on a resort. For more information, review the details below or contact Grady Kenner at 757